All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So, a promising start. A promising start. Yes. When the beginning, the start, is looking good and could lead to something better. When things start off really well and seem to only get better. Yeah, could only get better and better and better. How cool is that? Yeah. We got off to a promising start. I'm not sure what happened then. I don't know what happened then. Yeah. That was a promising start. Yes. That was a promising start. That was a promising start, and I'm glad that it happened. Very good. After the promising start, we have to keep going. Despite the promising start, we have to keep working and focusing, especially on the long-term goals and plans. Yeah, how cool is that? The long term, the future. Did you like the promising start? Yeah. It is always nice to have a promising start. It is quite encouraging. It's quite encouraging. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. But I have to stay focused and work on it working it all the time. Every day. All the time. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. A promising start, like in a race. You get off to a promising start. Things start off really good, but you have to keep going and keep working. It could lead to something better. It could lead. Yeah, there's a chance. It's a 50% chance. It might. It might not. Maybe go this way. Maybe go that way. Depends on things. Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use a promising start in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.